Once upon a time, the letter A was sitting on a chair. He was feeling so lonely. He thought, what if I had a friend, someone to join me? Just then, the letter T walked by. A smiled and said, "Hi, T, want to sit with me?" T said, "Yes, why not?" And then something magical happened. A and T, they both made a word at. Come on, kids, let's practice again. At, T, at, at. Thanks for watching. For more educational videos, do like, subscribe, and share to our channel.